Hello students, we are doing chapter number 19 coordinate geometry and today we will start exercise 19.3. In this exercise you will learn how to find out the solution of a pair of linear equations with the help of graph. So here two equations will be given, both the equations we will plot on the same graph and with the help of that we will get a solution for that. So first I have taken the first equation. We will shift one variable another side, so we will get here 2y is equal to 3x minus 4 or y is equal to 3x minus 4 by 2. Same way another equation also we can write it 2y is equal to 5x, so y is equal to 5x by 2. Now 3 points for both the equation we will find out. For the first equation, I have taken when x is 0, then y value I am getting minus 2. When x is 2, in that case y value I am getting 1. When x is 4, then y I am getting 4. So I have these three plotting points. Same way I have find out three plotting points for the second equation. These points you can take as per your convenient. It is not necessary same numbers you have to take. You can take some other number also, but it will be easy if you are taking number nearby 0 only, so easily you can plot. Now these three points from each equation we will plot on the graph. So first take graph sheet and mark x-axis and y-axis. After that now we will plot these points. So from the first line, first point is 0 comma minus 2, 0 from the x-axis, minus 2 from the y-axis. This is the first point, 0 comma minus 2. Second point we have 2 comma 1, 2 comma 1. Then third point 4 comma 4, 4 from the x-axis, 4 from y-axis, 4 comma 4. So after marking these 3 points, draw one line through these 3 points. Then next, this is the equation for 3x. This line is for 3x minus 2y equal to 4. Now the second line we will plot. Next plotting point is 0 comma 0. This is the first point. Then second point we have 1 comma 2.5, 1 comma 2.5. Then third point 2 comma 5. Now these 3 points also join together. This is for 5x minus 2y equal to 0. So these two lines will intersect each other at a point, and if these are not intersecting then you have to extend this line, and after intersection you will get the point. These lines are intersecting at point x is minus 2 and y is coming around 5. So we have to plot it accurately. It will cut here. So our intersection point is minus 2 comma minus 5, and you can substitute this answer in equation and you can check also your answer. Next we have question number 2. Solve the following pair of equations graphically. Plot at least 3 points from each straight line. So first, from each straight line we will take three plotting points. Now these 3 plotting points we will plot on the graph. Take a graph sheet, draw x-axis and y-axis, and now we will plot 3 points first from the first line. We have 3 comma 0, 3 comma 0, this is the first point. Then second point we have 10 comma 2, 10 comma 2. Then minus 4 comma minus 2, minus 4 comma minus 2. These 3 points we have to join with the help of scale. This is for 2x minus 7y equal to 6. Then second line we will plot. First plotting point is 0, 0.5. 0, 0.5. This is the first point. Then second we have minus 4, minus 2. And third we have 4, 3. Now these 3 points we will join again with the help of a scale. So this is for 5x minus 8y equal to minus 4. So you can see here we got, this is our intersection point. X value is minus 4 and y value is minus 2. So here our solution is x is equal to minus 4 and y is equal to minus 2. Next we have third question. Using the same axis of coordinate and the same unit, solve graphically x plus y equal to 0, 3x minus 2y equal to 10. So first, for both the equation we will find out 3 plotting points. I have taken here when x is 0, y is also coming 0. When x is 1, in that case y is coming minus 1. When x is 2, y is coming minus 2. For the second equation, when x is 0, y is coming minus 5. When x is 2, y is coming minus 2. And when x is 4, y is coming 1. Now from both the equation, these 3 points we will plot. So first we will draw x-axis and y-axis and we'll plot these points. First point we have 0, 0. This is our first point. Then 1, minus 1. And next we have 2, minus 2. 0, 0. 1, minus 1 and 2, minus 2. Join these points. And write the equation of line over this. This line is for x plus y equal to 0. Then for the second line, first point 0, minus 5. This is the first point. Then second point we have 2, minus 2. And third point we have 4, 1. Now these 3 points also we have to join with the help of pencil and scale. The second line is for 3x minus 2y equal to 10. So you can see here both the lines are intersecting at 2, minus 2. So this is the solution for both the equations. So here x value we are getting 2 and y value we are getting minus 2. Next we have question number 4. Solve graphically 4x minus 5y equal to minus 4 and 3x is equal to 2y minus 3. So first we will find out 3 points for plotting. So if from the first equation I have taken when x is minus 1, y I am getting 0. When x is 0, y I am getting 0.8 and when x is 1, then y I am getting 1.6. See, sometimes we are not getting a whole number. In that case we can go for decimal number also, but plot it correctly. Then for the second equation I have taken 3 points. When x is minus 1, y value I am getting 0. When x is 0, y I am getting 1.5. When x is 1, y I am getting 3. So now these 3 points from the first line and from the second line we will plot. So first we will take graph sheet and we'll mark x-axis and y-axis. First point we have minus 1, 0. Minus 1, 0. Second point 0, 0.8. So 0.8 how to mark? This one block is divided into 10 parts. So each part is equal to 0.1. So 8 small column block you can count. So this is 0.8. Next we have 1, 1.6. So after 1.6, 6 small parts you have to count. 1, 1.6. Now these 3 points we will join together. Write the equation of line over this. 4x minus 5y equal to minus 4. Now we'll mark for the second line. First point we have minus 1 comma 0, same point. Second point we have 0 comma 1.5. So 0 comma 1.5 is this one. And next we have 1 comma 3. This is one. Join these 3 points also. 3x is equal to 2y minus 3. So you can see both the lines are intersecting at this point, minus 1 comma 0. So x value is here minus 1 and y value is 0. This is the solution for these two equations. Next we have question number 5. Solve graphically x plus 3y equal to 8 and 3x equal to 2 plus 2y. So first find out the 3 plotting points for both the equations. So I have taken here first point minus 1 comma 3, second 2 comma 2, 5 comma 1. And for the second equation 0 comma minus 1, 1 comma 0.5 and 2 comma 2. Now we will plot these points. Take graph sheet. So now we will plot for the first line minus 1 comma 3. Minus 1 comma 3, this is our first point. Then second we have 2 comma 2. This is the second point. Third point we have 5 comma 1. Join these 3 points. Always these points will come on a straight line. If it is not coming on the straight line, it means somewhere you have done mistake, recalculate it. Now we'll plot for the second line. First point 0 comma minus 1, 0 comma minus 1. Then 1 comma 0.5, 1 comma 0.5. And third point 2 comma 2. This equation is 3x equal to 2 plus 2y. So here you can see both the lines are intersecting at point 2 comma 2. This will be our solution here. So x value we are getting 2 and y value also we are getting 2. Next we have question number 6. Solve graphically. 3y equal to 5 minus x and 2x is equal to 5 plus 3. So first 3 plotting points we will find out for both the line. After that we will plot. So here they have given take 2 cm is equal to 1 unit on both the axes. So scale we will take according to this. So first mark x-axis and y-axis and take scale according to the given in the question. 2 blocks is equal to 1. So now first we'll plot first point. From the first line, first point is minus 1 comma 2. Minus 1 comma 2. This is our first point. Then second point we have 2 comma 0. 2 comma 0. Sorry, 2 comma 1. This is the second point. And third point we have 5 comma 0. Now these 3 points joined with the help of a scale. This is for 3y equal to 5 minus x. Now for the second line we will mark the points. First point we have 0 comma minus 3. 0 comma minus 3. Minus 3. This is our first point. Then second point we have 1 comma minus 1. And third point we have 2 comma 1. Now these 3 points also we will join. And this second line is for 2x is equal to y plus 3. So you can see both the lines are intersecting each other at 2 comma 1. So x value is 2 and y value is 1. So here we are getting solution. X is equal to 2 and y is equal to 1. So in this video we are doing till here. Remaining questions we will continue in the next video. Thank you for watching this video.